Hi, I'm Roberta from Creative Union Design. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create one of our popular photo props for your next event. To get started, you can go to creativeuniondesign.com and shop from our wide selection of photo prop designs. After you make your purchase, you will receive a personalized digital file that you can print at your local copy center. It's easy to assemble your prop, and here's what you need. A piece of 30 by 40 inch foam core, an Xacto knife, a straight edge or ruler, spray mount, and an area that you can use to cut out the prop. I recommend laying down a flattened piece of cardboard if you don't have a large cutting table. As you can see, I'm laying down my 24 by 36 size poster on my 30 by 40 inch foam board. I like to line up the longer edge of the poster with one of the edges of the foam board. This way it's one less side that I need to trim. Once I have the poster lined up, I like to take a book and place it on one half of the poster. And this is just to prevent the poster from sliding out of place. Then I use my spray adhesive and lightly spray the poster board. I smooth out all the air bubbles and wrinkles, and you want to be sure your hands are dry when doing this. Now I can take my straight edge and line it up on my poster so I can begin trimming out the photo prop. You will want to lay your straight edge on the poster and not on the foam board. This way, if your knife slips, you won't cut into the actual photo prop. I also want to mention that Xacto knives are super sharp, so please be careful when using this. Is trimmed, you can do the same for the center. Again, be sure you place your straight edge on the artwork. Then carefully pop out the center and you're finished. If you notice any corners that might be lifting, you can use a small piece of double-sided tape to reinforce the corners. And that's it. You're ready to capture some amazing moments at your next event. And if you're still feeling a little nervous, don't worry. You can use our partnered printer and have your photo prop fully assembled and shipped directly to your door. They print on a high quality, weather-resistant material that's perfect for indoor and outdoor events. And it will arrive ready to use out of the box. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at roberta@creativeuniondesign.com and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.